Surprising, isn't it, that over 60% of investment failures occur due to lack of diversification or patience? Imagine a world where every investor understood the importance of spreading their investments and allowing time to work its magic. Let's take the example of an investor named Sam. Sam was an ordinary guy with a regular 9-to-5 job, but he had an extraordinary understanding of these two principles: diversification and patience. Sam started his investment journey by splitting his funds among different asset classes. He put some money in stocks, some in bonds, and a little in real estate. Diversification was his protective shield. It was like he was planting various seeds in his financial garden, anticipating that even if one plant didn't grow, the others would flourish. But diversification alone wasn't Sam's secret to success. He coupled it with the principle of patience. Sam understood that investments, like trees, need time to grow. He didn't panic during market downturns. Instead, he held on to his investments, patiently waiting for the market to recover. Over the years, Sam's financial garden began to bloom. His diversified investments, nurtured with patience, bore the fruits of success. His stocks multiplied, his bonds matured, and his real estate appreciated. He wasn't a billionaire, but his wise investments provided him with a comfortable and secure life. In the world of investing, there's no surefire way to predict the future, but applying the principles of diversification and patience can provide a strong foundation. Think of your investments as seeds. Plant them in different places, and give them time to grow. Like Sam, you might just find yourself harvesting the fruits of your patience and wisdom. Remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey. A journey that requires diversification to spread the risk and patience to reap the rewards. So, take a leaf out of Sam's book. Diversify your investments and be patient. Your future self will thank you for it. So, go ahead. Plant your financial seeds far and wide, nurture them with patience, and watch as your financial garden grows. Happy investing!